Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Oh yeah, so thank you guys for uh, um, thank you guys for on my YouTube. Go to here. Help. Thank you guys for this. And let's get into this. So, alright, check the title for what we're doing. So, this isn't really that hard. So this is going to be a simple tutorial. So first, if you want a server, you can make one. Check my last video. Join my Discord server. This one, link in the description. Alright, so this, I'm going to be using the one server that I used, the tutorial server. So, go to the server settings, make a role, and call it announcements. Just keep it like this. Save it. Make another one. Call it video announcements. So these, you don't only call it like what your stuff of announcements is gonna be. I'm just gonna be 2. So what you wanna do is you go to safety setup. So hold on, let me just turn this off. Alright, so you go here, server settings, scroll down to safety setup, and then you want this to be like this. Go here and put this to here. Alright, and now what you want to do, anyways, so what we want to do is you want to go to here, go to the community and press enable community, press this, press next, go here. This will be your rules. So I have no rules, so I'm just gonna put create one. And then next, you want these to be on and agree, but you want to check this first. Make sure nothing wrong. So just check it, and then press this, and everything's just gonna have these on too. Finish. Alright, set up onboarding. And then you wanna make sure everything's working. Hold on, let me go back because my friend. Alright, well, let me just do something real quick. Alright, anyways, so I'll be joining my later with server settings, and I'm gonna go back to onboarding. So you want all of these to be as your normal. You can change them if you want, but you want to press next, and you want to have the default channels. Oh my god, no. Go here, let me just go back here. Alright, so you want to set up the default channels for what you want. So you probably don't want these all locked. So yeah, I'm just gonna. So I'm gonna turn this there, right there. It's good. It's kind of this good. Alright, there we go. There's some of the dancing. Alright, anyways, so yeah, so these are just the channels that you want for default, so I don't know why it's, dude, I don't know, what is this, dude, alright, I don't know why it's saying they're locked. You can just do it, and then now you want this, so you could add a answer, so like, I literally, alright, and then you can put in answers like, don't just put in this, but blah blah blah. But hold on, let me show you how to do this. So you put in an answer, and then you would want to put in the thing for it. So first with this one, I would just my god, this kid won't listen. Alright, I can't. I can't, I'm sorry. Alright, so you put in your answer, put in the channel you want it for, boom, and then you would go to add another question. Probably this, if you want to do the notification thing, and then you would put in like whatever the name of the notification is, and then put in the announcement for that, boom, and then and then you could do the other one, blah blah blah, and then put in the announcement for that, and then you could go to next, and then there's all of this. So you want to put in at least like 3 of these, and then put in one of these, and then you'll enable it, and then that's it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Peace.